home delivering farm fresh fruits and vegetables. Now this was like God sent to us because we were on the lookout for that kind of a supply line for our communities during this COVID crisis and the lockdown. It was a win-win for all of us because on the one hand, the farmer's produce was being supplied and sold in the cities, and our communities also got farm fresh produce at a fair price. We congratulate Vande Bharatam and the Hopcoms team for their wonderful effort, and we at Force GW are delighted to be partnering with them. Thank you.
It has been a great experience with Vande Bharatam, especially in the time of lockdown. Vande Bharatam has actually helped us to directly connect with farmers. So it has been a great experience working with them as part of the Force GW and as part of the community of Sandeep Vihar. Thank you.
Prices have been very reasonable and it was a great experience interacting with the farmers. I'm very thankful to Vande Bharatam for connecting all the dots and making a wonderful puzzle together. Thank you.
Being a part of Force GW, we wanted to do something to the community during this COVID-19 situation. One of the challenges we had was to get the essentials. This is when Hopcoms and Vande Bharatam reached out to us and offered us door deliveries of fresh fruits and vegetables. So we formed a team, we formed a WhatsApp group, and the Hopcoms team were publishing what kind of vegetables and fruits they would supply for the day. And whoever wants to subscribe to it used to say that yes, our apartment needs the fresh fruits or vegetables. We also had fruit of the day. So this was really fabulous because we didn't have to get out of our apartment complex or villa complex wherever we are staying, as well as it was a direct delivery from the farmers, so it was fresh, and some of them we also had to ripen it. It was fun to watch that. And also the prices were reasonable. So I think during this crisis it was really commendable job by Hopcoms to really get the essentials, especially the fruits and vegetables at a reasonable price to us. So thank you, thanks a lot to Hopcoms and Vande Bharatam for this.
The quality of the food, the fresh vegetables and fruits is quite good, and also the pricing factor is very good.
I am very happy that we are getting fresh vegetables, and in our apartment only we don't have to go out. Very nice arrangements.
So I just wanted to talk about a few things about Hopcoms and Vande Bharatam. It has been a really nice experience. They have collaborated with all the apartments and with Force GW, and we have been receiving very good quality, affordable vegetables and fruits which are brought right till our doorstep. It has been a great effort by Hopcoms and the volunteers who have collaborated with the farmers to kind of extend this facility to all the complexes. I have myself been a beneficiary of it. We have got things at very affordable prices and good quality stuffs.
Great work from Force GW, which is collaborated with farmers directly through Hopcom, and they are arranging this service to reach each apartment where apartment people are also getting benefited with fresh vegetables, and the same time farmers are also getting benefit.
Thanks to my entire team for making this success, and we are available to the entire country anytime with our service center number 8495 998495. Namaste.